Alfie? He doesn't want to cuddle me. Do you? Hello everyone, I hope you're having a good morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are in the world. Today's video is a Primark testing their lip kits video. You may have seen in my nail testing video that when I bought 7 more packs of nails, I actually bought 2 of their lip kits as well. They're a little bit of a spin-off from the Kylie ones. I mean, they look exactly the same in my eyes. I've never had a Kylie lip kit before, so I don't have that to compare it to, but sorry about the sun by the way, but I'm just gonna test them, give my honest opinion on what I think they are, whether I think they're worth it, and things like that. Oh, and don't forget to comment down below which colour was your favourite and if you think they looked good or not, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon so you know when I next upload. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so when I went to Primark, I got 2 of the lip kits. These are the 2 that I got. As you can see, the packaging is, or from what I can remember, is pretty similar to the Kylie ones, or Kylie Cosmetics, and probably the shades are quite similar as well. They both include a lip liner and a, well, one says a matte liquid lipstick and one is a high shine lip gloss. So this one with the matte lipstick is called Alter Ego, and then the one with the high shine lip gloss is sort of more purple colour, and that is called Frisky.
This is the colour of both of the swatches. As you can see, the lip liner's on the left and the lipstick or lip gloss is on the right.
So we'll start with Alter Ego. So what it comes like, and they were both £3 by the way.
So just open that one. I'm just going to rip it.
And they come out like this. I'm just going to pop out the liner and the lipstick. I'm not very good at putting lipstick on, so I'll line my lips to begin with, and I'm just going to use this mirror to do that. Actually kind of like that. I think it looks more red in the camera than it does in real life, as in more blood red, what the colour I thought it was. So now I'm going to try the matte liquid lipstick on the top. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the brush. The brush is quite nice, what you'd expect. It's got the little point and everything.
It doesn't have a very nice smell.
It doesn't have an awful smell, but it's not the best. Sometimes it's nice when lip products taste nice, isn't it? Whoa. I actually really love this colour. It's super nice. It would look gorgeous on someone with big lips as well. I mean, I don't have quite small lips, I think. Yeah, the colour's really nice. It is now the colour that I thought it was going to be. It dries really quickly. It's gone matte really quick. I guess we'll just have to see how it lasts. I'm not really doing anything today. I'm now going to go out with my mum, so I don't really know what it's going to do. Yeah, I wanted to take this off my lips so I can show you what the purple one, the Frisky colour, looks like. But it's not even coming off my arm, and it's actually going everywhere. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear this today and then report back to you. Okay, so I'm back now for an update on how this lip kit from Primark lasted. It's about 7:30 now, so it's been sort of about 7.5 hours since I put it on. I've been eating with this, I've been drinking with this, and you know, just your general day-to-day stuff, and it's come off a little bit here, as you can see, but the outside of my lips is completely stayed on. I think maybe if my lips hadn't been as dry, then maybe it would have stayed on better. Because I did find that because it was a little bit crumbly, it kind of crumbled off a little bit, But again, that might just be a matte one. But I think it's actually so good for £3. I think it's stayed on really well. I mean, I know here, but if you were out, you would probably just like have it in your handbag to top up and things after you've eaten and drinking. I'm gonna take the red one off now, and I will try out the frisky colour for you now so we can see what that one looks like on. And it is a gloss one, so it's going to come out a little bit differently to this one. Hopefully I don't get red all over my face when I'm trying to take this off. I really like this one. It's a lot more subtle than what I thought it was going to be. I don't know whether that's just because I've had the red one on, and then after this it's a little bit more subtle, but I really am liking purple at the moment, especially because I have dark hair and my skin's quite pale. I think it just looks quite nice really. It's a little bit sort of vampire-y, if you know what I mean. So now I'm just putting on the lip gloss, and this is a lip gloss, so this one's going to be a bit different.
Come on, tea's ready. Come on, tea's ready.
What do you think of this lipstick?
Not bad. Look a bit goth, to be honest.
Look a bit goth.
Look a bit emo.
Emo.
Emo dreamer. Why do I just do that Fortnite dance? I want to end my life.
This one's got a taste to it, like a vanilla-y smell and taste, and I guess because it's shiny and it's going to stay on your lips, whereas this one sort of smells a bit like, not paint, but do you know what I mean? And I'm guessing that's matte, so you don't really smell it anyway. And here is Alfie. He doesn't want to cuddle me, do you? So, oh God, what's he doing? Don't know if you can see. Alfie is a shoulder cat. He likes to be on your shoulders. He likes to lay on your back, aren't you? So thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe down below, and if you want to, you can even hit that little bell icon so you know when my next upload is. I do vlogs and testing reviews like this video. If you'd like to see anything different, you can comment down below. Bye bye. Hi guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video, and follow me on my Instagram at Meg Lev_.